Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pair Dodge Caravan Bluetooth. First, make sure your Caravan is safely in park and the ignition is on. Next, grab your mobile device and navigate to its settings to activate Bluetooth. Once Bluetooth is enabled on your phone, turn your attention to your Caravan's Uconnect system. You'll need to access the main menu on the touchscreen to begin the pairing process. From the Uconnect main menu, tap on the phone icon. Then, select the option that says Pair Device. This action makes your Caravan's Bluetooth system discoverable to other devices. Now, on your mobile phone, refresh the list of available Bluetooth devices. You should see an option like Uconnect or Dodge Caravan appear in the list. Select this option to proceed. Once you've selected Uconnect on your phone, a 4-digit PIN will be displayed on both your phone's screen and your Caravan's Uconnect display. It's crucial to verify that these two numbers match exactly. After confirming the PIN, you'll need to accept the connection on both devices. This step ensures a secure and authorized link between your phone and the vehicle's system. After successful pairing, your Uconnect system may ask if you want to allow your phone to sync contacts and call history. It's generally recommended to allow this for full functionality. Once synced, you're all set. You can now enjoy hands-free calling, receive incoming calls, and stream your favorite audio directly through your Dodge Caravan speakers, making your drives more convenient and enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.